Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CFMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very, very impressive move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows on Tuesday, and then all of a sudden where the price ultimately closed on the day, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right up here at $2.50. Why is $2.50 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.50. If the price were to go back to that area and then just continue to drop down through it, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, however, in this instance, behaved like that, and then began to work its way upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once more, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being defined as $2.50. What about levels of resistance? Pretty straightforward right now. It's all about that pink line right there, or excuse me, the purple line right there, which on my chart represents the 50-period moving average. And surprise, surprise, that's right where the level got rejected. I say surprise, surprise, because that's a very famous level in the world of charts. And call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When the price is below that level, it tends to act as resistance. But also, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never, ever get up above there. I'm just saying that traditionally speaking, the price usually really needs to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above that level and also stay up above it. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great bounce today, great movement. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this price movement going and momentum going forward. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.